While Dre's having a moment, be sure to check out my Patreon. We watch shows. Currently, we're watching Going 17. So be sure to subscribe, become a member. Hope to see you there. Stray Kids Lose My Breath featuring Charlie Puth is out. What is today? What is tonight? A lot of things are happening. I'm just live here on Twitch and things are just dropping left and right. Let's check this out. I heard the teaser of this and it already sounds like a Charlie Puth song. But let's see if Stray Kids can lose my breath. You know, I'm playing. Okay, fireworks. Okay, oh damn. He angry? He angry? I mean, I could give you all my love.
Cause when our eyes lock, it's like my heart stops. I lose my breath. You make my knees drop.
Oh, we driving. Okay, dance break. In the rain. What? There's so many. There must be a meaning towards that. Is that Changmin in a motorcycle? Of course. Of course. Sir! You just gonna walk in the rain like? Damn. Ooh. Oh, they on slow motion time right now. Oh, they sped it up. They dancing in the rain, of course. Of course. Okay. Ooh, you better sing, sir.
Oh my jump gear.
Sorry, I just walked in.
I lose my breath when you're walking in. 'Cause when our eyes lock, it's like my heart stops.
Oh my God, let's go, Felix. You good? Oh, girl, you drank too much? What's happening? Oh, get up! Get up! Ooh. That right there, that's the killer. My God, doing a skincare routine right there. Are they running on the track that Changbin was like riding his motorcycle on? Yeah, he probably. I swear to God, Felix looks not real sometimes. He had a Waffle House? Oh, we got a feet shot. Okay. Oh. The Waffle House, though. Shout out to Waffle House. Quick shout out to Waffle House. I said it like 5 times. This part right here is crazy to me. I mean, I feel like after I eat Waffle House, that's how I my stomach feels. It's like, oh, these shots are fire right here too. That hey. I lose my breath. Oh, this is definitely probably gonna be on the repeat right here. Damn! Shout out to Waffle House. Shout out to Waffle House right here. I mean, Charlie ain't even in the video. I swear I heard like Changbin's vocals too. Pretty sure they all sang, of course, Charlie Puth. Pretty good collab. Pretty good collab. Ah, Lord. Sponsored by Waffle House. No.
Hey, you better subscribe.
If you want more content, catch me on Twitch on JREAMERS. I'm there every day.